Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the difference between array, list and tuple in Python. This is a very important interview question in Python. So let's understand the basic difference between the three. So these three are used to store data, obviously. So the basic difference is that array is mutable. Basically, mutable means the values can be changed inside array. Whatever you have values in the array, they can be changed. List is also mutable, but tuple is immutable. You cannot change the values in tuple. Once the values are added in tuple, you cannot alter it. Okay. The second thing is they are ordered collection of items. All the three are ordered collection of items. What that means is, now if you are adding these items, say in list you are adding these four items: mango, strawberry, orange, apple, banana. So they will be stored in ordered manner. So when you write LTV1 and in brackets you write give me the value for zeroth index. So mango will be given. First index strawberry will be given. Second index orange is there. Third index apple is there. So basically they are ordered one after the other. Okay. So all the three are ordered. Okay. And the third difference is that arrays can store only similar data types. So array will store only similar data type, but list can store more than one data type. You can store string, integer, everything all together in one list you can store. And in case of tuple also, you can store more than one data type. Okay, and now this is how you this is an example of how you can create an array or list or tuple. So in case of array, you can write a is equal to arr. Arr is basically when you import array as arr. So we write a is equal to arr dot array, and then I stands for integer, and then in brackets you write whatever values you want to add in the array. And for list, you simply have to write it in square brackets. Okay, whatever data you want, whatever integer or string or whatever you want to put, just comma separated and add it in the list, and you use square brackets for it. But for tuple, you use circular brackets, and again you can commas are there. So the basic difference is that array and list are mutable, but tuple is immutable. Values cannot be changed. And here circular bracket is used, here both the places square brackets is used, and here only one data type can be stored, but in list and tuple more than one data type can be stored. This is the basic difference. I hope it was clear. Thank you for watching this video.